Hey everyone, if your notes in AppFlowy aren't saving, changes disappear after editing, or you're losing updates when closing the app, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy notes not saving problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection if you're using AppFlowy's cloud synchronization features. A weak or unstable connection can prevent changes from syncing and saving properly. Another helpful step is updating AppFlowy to the latest version. Software updates often include bug fixes related to note editing and data synchronization. If only one specific note won't save, try creating a new note and testing whether changes save correctly there. This can help identify whether the problem is note-specific. You can also check your available storage space. Low storage on your device may interfere with local data handling and synchronization. Finally, if none of these solutions work, contact AppFlowy support and provide details about your operating system, AppFlowy version, Workspace setup, synchronization settings, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix AppFlowy notes not saving problems in 2026. In most cases, checking synchronization, updating the application, verifying permissions, and refreshing your account session will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.